All right. So last time we got the girders working. It was pretty cool. And this time we're going to make drones hits count, and then girders hits count. So this is the raindrop over here in the center, and then when that drone hits into us, that hit will count. So last time we did get a one-up hit working, so that kind of works over there. All right, so the plan was to have, when the raindrop gets hit, it's gonna explode, and then particle effects, and then the position's gonna reset to somewhere above. So I think I'm gonna try doing the position's gonna reset somewhere above first. I think we could do it with just changing the negative altitude. And reducing the weight. So the weight first, inside, all right, so since this is a global, inside of update, we're gonna check that, just to make it simple. If you hit into anything, what does this say? This is if the overlay state is 0. Okay, so if that overlay state is 1, then we're going to make that change right over here. So this is a one-up hit. If one-up hit equals 1, then we want one-up weight. And do we have access to one-up's weight? Yeah, one-up. One-up weight. I think this is how you do it. One-up weight equals one-up weight divided by 2. And then negative altitude equals I don't know, we're starting at 20 and that's pretty far, so let's do like 5. Negative altitude equals negative altitude minus 5. And then we'll have to have an if statement in here. Oh no. So that's if the negative altitude is only if you're below a certain amount. Okay, so we'll do this later. So if you're below a certain weight, then we'll just reset you. If you're below a certain weight, once you get hit, actually, you probably want that over there. If you're below a certain weight, once you get hit, then you're going to do that. Otherwise, probably else, we'll have to do something else there. And then else, the rest of the stuff will happen. If it is 1, then okay. So we'll just see how this looks for starters. And then we want to reset that. One-up hit is reset back to equal 0. Alright, so we'll try that out. For starters. Alright, load this up. Function arguments expected near equals. Okay, so this is probably the issue. One of dot weight. There it is. I see it right up there. Probably want to collect as much as I can to test this out. Wow. Not good at all. Okay, so after you get hit, then there has to be a time delay. Somehow. So this is a hit token. And then we need a hit token all the way up above. Over here with all the rest of the tokens. Hit token. Alright, so here we go. We got the hit token over here. And then hit token. Let's see, it's at 50, so we should probably do like 50. Is if an hit token is now if it's less than 50, it's going to count up, so it's going to be greater than 50. Hopefully, it just won't get too high. Although we could have a risk of overrunning the buffer. Yeah, if the person never gets hit. We'll have to see about that one. Alright, so if the 1-up hit is equal to 1 and the hit token is greater than 50, then 1-up weight equals 1-up weight over 2. 1-up hit equals 0. Alright, so you get hit, And then I guess you have to reset the token. Token equals 0. Alright, we'll try that. Not sure what happened there. Basically, we got too small. I'm not sure what's going on. Okay, so one up hit, and then immediately your hit token goes back to 0. So we might have to increase this to 100 maybe? Or the only other thing it could be is we have to look into the only other thing it could be is we have to look into the hitbox of the drone. That could be it also. Yeah. Okay, so it looks like there's a time delay, so it has nothing to do with the hitbox. One up hit is 1, right? So we have to check one up hit. Hang on, be right back. Actually, I think I'm gonna end this right now, and I'll be on later probably. All right, thanks. Thanks for hanging out for a few.